rain was falling with a temperature.
What is it? I'm scared. I don't want to look. It's a warning. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The service in Louisville has severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Spencer County and Central Kentucky, Southeastern Shelby County and Central Kentucky, Central Henderson County in Central Kentucky, Southwestern Franklin County in Central Kentucky until 5 p.m.
Thank God,
daylight time.
yes.
The good news is it's not too late because
It's all in Central Kentucky.
so call you will be wrong. Called last year for free information.
I thought it was us.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Lawrenceburg, Wayside, Greensboro, Farmdale,
You're pushy.
Bridgeport, Harrisonville, and Mytona. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Use it to report information.
For 80s.
Another warning.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Meade County in central
That's
Kentucky,
us.
north central Grayson County
Maybe.
in central Kentucky, west central Hardin County in central Kentucky, Breckenridge County in central Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Hardinsburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hardinsburg, Webster, Irvington, McQuady, Dyer, Fremire, Southeast Reed, Buras, Big Spring, and Kirk. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's David's whereabouts that are a shock.
Later, a statement. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. The severe thunderstorm warning for in Kentucky, Harrison and Scott. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for to expired weather conditions. However, gusts or later safety rain are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains at vision outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hold on a minute. Let me see. What is it, tornado?
Thunderstorm.
Yep, severe thunderstorm warning.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Grayson County in central Kentucky, Hardin County in central Kentucky, southwestern Bullitt County in central Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Elizabethtown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elizabethtown, Litchfield, Radcliffe, Vine Grove, Lebanon Junction, Clarkson, Sonora, St. Paul, Eastview, and Scoffletown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.